Oh, the sun is just peering through the clouds. And good morning and welcome along to another edition of Adventures with Otis. This morning we're at Goodrington. And the star of the show, Otis! Hiya! How are you doing? Are you looking for a stick this early? That's a tiny little, that looks more like a bindweed. Let's find a proper stick, come on. Oh, this dog is a friendly beach. Dogs are permitted on the beach all year round. That's worth remembering. And round to the star of the show, Otis! This way! Come on, boy. Oh, he spotted something. Oh, no, just his lead. So in the background we have Goodrington Boating Lake, where you can hire some pedalos in the shape of a swan. They also have bumper boats as well. Not sure what Otis would make of that. Let's go around back to the sunrise. Are you waiting for commands to run? Go on then, run! Good boy! This way! Good boy, Otis, come on! Yay! He's such a good boy. Oh, I don't know whether you just saw that. The waves are bounding over the top of the seawall. Wow, phenomenal. Phenomenal, isn't it, Otis? Absolutely. It is. Come on, we'll carry on walking. On your case, running. A good boy. Hello. Hi. Oh, do you want me to take the lead? Oh, okay. I will. You've tangled it all up. Right. For some reason, Otis wants me to take the lead. Perhaps it's because it's all tangled up. Not quite sure what he's done there. Right, okay, that'll do. It's still tangled up, young man. So there's a lovely premier in there, overlooking Torbay. Come on, let's carry on walking this way, Otis. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come on then, this way. Oh, look, the sun coming through. Nice and bright this morning. This way. And there's the pavilion area at Goodrington. And we Otis. Good boy. Come on. Young Otis. Right, I'll pick your lead up here and we'll go up towards the seawall and have a look, see what's happening, because it's such a noise coming from the waves. So there's a nice sort of coffee shop called Cantina. Run, run, run. Come on, I can run with you. Right. Are you enjoying yourself, young man? Come on then. And the toilets are closed here at the moment, but it's a little bit early in the morning. It's only just after 6. Oh, and this is the Life Saving Club, SLSC at Torbay, and also Surf Life Saving Club. I think that's what it is, yes. Life is fun, isn't it, Otis? Yes. Right, let's have a look at these waves. So this is looking to the east, directly into the sunshine, and you can see the beach cabins all the way along, or the beach huts. Oh wow, look at this. This is phenomenal. I've not seen the waves so choppy for a while. A gorgeous morning it is though. Beach huts to the right, choppy seas to the left, and Otis in the middle with me. Oh, that's going to be salty. Wow. Wow. Dear, did you get a fright? Oh dear. It's okay, Otis. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. This is why I want to keep you on the lead, just in case one of those big waves come along. Oh, is that fun? Good, you got a waggy tail, that's good. Absolutely. Well, I believe it's a full moon tomorrow, hence probably the real high tides. That's a good boy. You're not sure what to make of this, are you? It's okay. Of course, he's only a wee pup, and this is probably the first time he's seen big waves, actually, isn't it? I think back, yes it is, because you're more of a landlocked boy at the moment. Oh, listen to the roar. Yep, Otis wants to head back to safety. It's a good boy. Let's see if we can capture. Good lord. Yeah. Right, come on, let's carry on walking, Otis. No, I'm taking your lead. When you get washed away. You're chickening out of the waves. Oh, another dog walker heading this way, and he just put his lead on his pooch. Probably seen what's around the corner here. Wow. What do you think, Otis? Wow. You want to go down? Go on then, we'll walk along this way. This way. Morning. Oh, hello. Oh, little playful cocker spaniel. I thought maybe a Prince Charles. No, one, it was a cocker. Did he pick up on your half-breed, Otis? There we are. A little bit higher up now, you won't get splashed so much, Otis. Or maybe. So this is the Premier Inn. What an amazing view they have. And they're always linked to a brewer's fair, aren't they? This one is in on the quay. Certainly couldn't get any closer. Oh, Otis is on a trail of something. This way. There we go, it's a little bit safer now, Otis. And this is the water park. I've heard of this. The Key West water park. They call it Splashdown. And the water slides are immense here. Oh, to be a kid again. Have some fun on there, I tell you. And the early morning, oh, wait there, Otis just wrapped himself around me. The early morning belt detectors going on. Oh, on this sun is certainly creeping up into the sky, Otis. We're in for a lovely day. Come on then, young boy. Oh, he's eager now. Good boy, Otis. You enjoying your walk this morning? Oh, Otis, that's going to be salty. In the background here, we have a railway line, and I believe this is the steam train line that runs from Paignton to Kingswear. Look at all the sea salt up on the beach. Wow. You're skiddling through the water. Good boy, you wait here. Good boy. Okay, young man, we'll carry on. Carry along the headland for a little bit. Wouldn't it be great if the steam train came past right now? A little bit too early for them. I don't think either the engine has woken up yet. All these brightly painted beach huts all the way along the promenade here. Absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful. And here we are now at Goodrington Sands. They don't seem to have a lot to say about it, do they? Okay. Well, we're going to head up the hill now and maybe grab a can of Coke if the shop is open. So from Goodrington Sands, Otis and I are going to say cheerio. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you want to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. Let's get a nice picture of the sun, Otis. Hiya. It's a good boy. Cheerio, everyone.